Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. We are back with our daily vocabulary booster wherein we learn 5 new words every day. These words are taken from the Hindu editorial. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. So the first term for today is intrigue. It is INTRIGUE, which means arouse the curiosity or interest of. So when we are trying to increase the curiosity about something or interest about something, that is when we use the term intrigue. Now a synonym of intrigue is fascinate. So we'll check the usage. The usage is I was intrigued by a question. So if someone asks a question to me which arouses my curiosity for things that I like, we use the term intrigue. The next term is pragmatic. It is PRAGMATIC, which means dealing with things sensibly and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. So we are taking everything practically and we are not taking things theoretically. All that we've learned from the practice that we've done, that is when we use the term pragmatic. So few of the synonyms are practical, matter of fact, realistic, sensible, or down to earth. Now the usage is this issue needs a pragmatic approach. So whenever we face some issues, we have to think about it in a pragmatic way or practically rather than thinking of solutions of what we learned in school or something which is based only on theory. The next term is restrain. Now restrain is to prevent someone or something from doing something. So we are trying to prevent someone from doing something wrong, or we want to keep people under control or within limits. So we know that whenever we are going in the wrong direction, our teachers and our parents, they sort of restrain us from doing that. We have a lot of laws to sort of curb people from doing things wrong. So few of the synonyms are prevent, stop, keep, or hold back. Okay, we check the usage. The central government needs to restrain public expenditure. That means that they should restrain while spending public expenditure, or should think twice before spending the public expenditure. The next term is symptomatic. Now symptomatic means serving as a symptom or sign, especially for something undesirable. So if we are doing something and we have a feeling that something undesirable will happen, or we get some signs and we think in our mind that something bad may happen, that is what is symptomatic. Few of the synonyms are indicative, signaling, warning, or characteristics. We'll check the usage. These difficulties are symptomatic of the fundamental problems in the project. So if we are facing some difficulties during the implementation of a project, that is nothing but a sign that there are some issues which are fundamental in nature with respect to the project. And the last term for today is travails. This TRAVAILS, which is to engage in painful or laborious effort. So when we are trying to engage into something which is very painful or which requires a lot of laborious effort or very excessive labor. So few of the synonyms are ordeal, trial, or tribulation. Now we'll check the usage. The creation may travail in pain, but it cannot escape in destiny. So if we are trying to create something that may be painful for us, but we cannot escape destiny, and if it has to happen, it will happen. Well, those were the 5 words that we learned today. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.